Hello and welcome back to the Study Abroad series. I am excited to bring you part 8 of the highly requested series on U.S. student visa interview questions and answers for 2023. If you missed the previous episodes, kindly find the links in the comment sections below. Let's get started. Today's video will provide you with critical insight on how to answer the following question, so make sure to watch till the end. Why now? How did you get the graduate assistantship position? Who will be covering your deficit? Do you have a master's degree? Why are you doing the same major as you did in your undergraduate studies? Attention! The answers I will be providing in this video are just for your guidance. Try as much as possible to develop your own answers. Let's get started. Why now? When the visa officer asks you this question during your U.S. student visa interview, he or she is trying to understand why you have chosen to pursue your studies in the U.S. at this particular moment in time. When answering this question, describe your academic background and career goals. Help the visa officer understand how your studies in the U.S. will help you achieve these goals and why you need to further your education in the USA at this time. Share any personal circumstances or life events that have led you to choose this moment to pursue your studies in the U.S. For example, maybe you have just graduated from high school or university and are now ready to pursue further studies. Discuss any recent experiences or events that have led you to decide to study in the U.S. now. For instance, it could be that you have recently completed an internship or research project that has sparked your interest in this particular field, or you have been inspired by a particular professor or researcher. Explain why this is the right time for you to pursue your studies in the U.S. One possible scenario is that you feel you have gained enough work or life experience to be able to succeed in this program, or perhaps you feel that you have the necessary academic background to pursue your studies at this level. Sample answer.
My long-term goal is to become a faculty member at one of the universities in my home country, and a PhD is the minimum requirement needed to achieve this goal. Hence, pursuing my PhD now will allow me to finish graduate school early with the required knowledge and skills and have enough time to focus on my future career.
Here's another way to answer this question.
My company has recently set up a toxicology laboratory and has identified me as a competent candidate to lead this laboratory. However, to fully take on this role, my company requires me to have a master's degree in toxicology. Pursuing my master's degree now will allow me to gain the knowledge and skills needed to excel in this position. I am fortunate that my education in the USA is fully funded by my company, and I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to the growth of the laboratory upon my return.
How did you get the graduate assistantship position? When answering this question, talk about your academic background, relevant coursework, and any previous research or work experience that made you a strong candidate for the position. Explain the specific actions you took to secure the position, such as researching the program, reaching out to faculty members or students, or attending interviews. This demonstrates your initiative and interest in the program. Share any unique qualities or experiences you possess that set you apart from other applicants. For example, you could mention any language skills, cross-cultural experiences, or personal qualities that make you a valuable addition to the program. Provide specific examples of your accomplishments or contributions that demonstrate your qualifications and suitability for the program. For example, you could talk about a research project you worked on or a paper you wrote that was relevant to the program. Lastly, express your genuine enthusiasm for the program and the opportunity to work as a graduate assistant. Share why you are passionate about the subject matter and how you hope to contribute to your department as a graduate assistant. This will show your dedication and commitment to the role. Sample answer.
I earned my bachelor's degree in a related field and had some relevant research experience, which I highlighted in my application. I believe my excellent academic performance throughout my undergraduate studies, my good teaching and research experience in addition to the competitive application I submitted were taken into consideration. A few weeks after submission, I was shortlisted and attended 2 interview sections with my prospective supervisor and the admission committee respectively. Following my excellent performance during the interview, I was recommended for admission with a fully funded graduate assistantship offer.
Who will be covering your deficit? Discuss how you have planned and prepared for your studies, including your research into funding opportunity and your own financial resources. This shows that you are proactive and have taken the necessary steps to ensure your financial stability during your studies. Highlight your support network, which includes parents, spouses, or other supporters who are helping you to pay your deficit. If your company has offered you study leave approval which covers part of your deficit, make sure to include that in your answer. If you have taken out a loan to cover your deficit, you need to mention that in your answer. However, it is also important for you to explain your plan for repaying the loan. as this will show that you have considered the long-term financial impact of your decision. Sample answers.
My parents will be covering my deficit. My father is the owner of Goldkey Estates Development Company in Ghana. This firm has been in existence for the past 20 years and has over 30 employees. The annual earning of the firm is $81,000. My mother is the manager of Access Bank, Nust Branch, and has a stable annual income of approximately $40,000. With the generous support of my parents, alongside the graduate assistantship offer granted to me by the department, I am confident that I can pursue my studies in the USA without any financial challenges.
Another way to answer this question is,
My deficit will be covered by both my current employer and myself. I have been working with this company as a research assistant for 6 years and I have saved up to $80,000 toward my education in the USA. As part of the company's policies, my employer has generously granted me 50% study leave approval to support me in this endeavor. After my studies in the USA, I am expected to come back to my current place of work to take up a higher role as the toxicology laboratory director, where I can use the knowledge and skills I have gained to contribute to the growth and development of the company.
hey there, if you found this video helpful, kindly take a few seconds to like the video and also subscribe to this channel. Now, let's take a look at how to answer other important questions. Do you have a master's degree? Be honest. If you have a master's degree, say so. If you don't, be truthful about your level of education. Share details about your academic background, including any degrees or certifications you have earned, relevant coursework, and research experience. Explain why you want to further your education in the US, whether it's because you want to gain advanced knowledge in your field, experience a different academic environment, or take advantage of unique research opportunities. Sample answer.
Yes, I have a master's degree in chemistry from the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in Ghana. I am going to the USA to pursue a doctoral degree in chemistry because I want to deepen my knowledge and expertise in this field. The knowledge, skills, and research experiences I have gained throughout my master's degree have prepared me well for this next step in my academic journey.
In case you are going for a direct PhD, here is how to approach this question.
No, I do not have a master's degree. However, I have taken up several courses and research projects in the field of chemistry during and after my undergraduate studies. Moreover, the first 2 years of the PhD program in chemistry is an incorporated master's degree which focuses on coursework, where I will take classes and attend seminars covering a broad range of topics in this field before delving into my doctoral research.
Why are you doing the same major as you did in your undergraduate studies? Begin by expressing your love for the subject and how it has been a long-standing interest for you. You can talk about how your undergraduate studies only deepened your curiosity and desire to learn more about the subject. Talk about the evolution of your interests. Discuss how your undergraduate studies gave you a strong foundation in the subject, but you still have many unanswered questions and areas that you would like to explore further. Emphasize how your major is relevant to your future career goals and how pursuing a graduate degree in the same subject will help you achieve those goals. Explain how pursuing a graduate degree in the same subject will allow you to specialize in a specific area within the field. This will allow you to develop a deeper understanding of a particular subfield and potentially pursue a career in that area. Sample answer.
I chose to pursue a PhD in biochemistry because I am passionate about this field and I want to become an expert in it. During my undergraduate studies, I was introduced to various topics in biochemistry that sparked my interest, and I realized that there is still so much to learn and discover in this field. Pursuing a PhD will allow me to delve deeper into this subject matter, conduct research, and contribute to scientific knowledge. Additionally, a PhD in biochemistry will prepare me for a career in academia or research, which is my ultimate goal.
That is it for this video. If you want to catch the next episode of the Study Abroad series where I will be showing you how to answer other important questions, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button. In case you have any related questions that need to be addressed, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Also, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.